National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, northwestern Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 6 p.m. At 5:13 p.m., a cluster of severe thunderstorms was located from Rockford to Chana, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockford, Belvedere, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Roscoe, Rochelle, South Beloit, Brockton, Poplar Grove, Byron, Oregon, Rockford Airport, Candlewick Lake, Cherry Valley, Winnebago, Davis Junction, Durand, Hillcrest, Stillman Valley and Timberlane. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 100 and 123. Interstate 88 between mile markers 75 and 77. Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 23. This includes Boone County Fairgrounds, Loudoun State Park, Rock Cut State Park, Rock Valley College, Rockford Rivets Baseball, and Rockford Speedway. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for north-central Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for north-central Illinois.